Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today, I want to show you this standing oscillating fan, smart fan actually, that this brand sent to me for this video. I've been trying it today and I think it's actually really cool. Not only because, as you can see over here, it's a standing fan. You can lose some of the attachment here and make it to be smaller if you want, but I do like it to be fully extended. Also, you can see that this one, you can put it kind of like in an angle as well, so you can point to the ceiling as well, or if you are in a tent or something like that, or like in your patio, it can point up as well. But this one comes with a remote controller, so I think that is really cool to have. Also, 12 different speeds, and above anything that is above 5 or 6 is actually quite powerful, but this one is very quiet. Just for how powerful it is, it's actually quiet. It also comes with a timer, and it also comes with 120 degrees oscillating effect. But you want to know what is the best thing about this one? This right here in the centerpiece, it comes with a camera, so you can actually do some gestures. Like, for example, this is going to be for turn it on and off. This is going to be to stop or actually change modes. And this one, there is another one like this one, for example, that would kind of like change the speed. So that is really cool for when you are, for example, like in the bed or in the couch or something like that, and you don't have the remote controller with you. You can just do change the speed. That is actually quite good. Let's say kind of like a closer look. So maybe the one single complaint that I have is that the cable is not super long. That is not super convenient, but I hope that they improve that. It's not really quite long. It's kind of like, I think it's about like 3 or 4 feet maybe, so it should be probably like 6 or 10. That would be even better. But right here, it's my microphone. I do want to show you something. So let's see if I'm on frame. So I'm in frame right here. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to do this to the camera, and this one, it's already on. Just I didn't touch anything. I didn't touch my remote controller. And right here is my microphone. So I do want you to hear how this one is blowing. It's actually quite good how much this one is blowing just by being in speed number 6. And then I'm gonna do this, which is gonna put it in 9. And I'm gonna do one more, and it's gonna put it in 12. Hear how much this one is blowing. It's insane how powerful it is in just the speed number 2. So number 12 actually. Let's see if I can actually go down. Oh, it goes on the auto mode. With this one, if you go above the 12, it goes on auto mode. So that is really good because it's gonna have its own kind of like intelligence to see what's the best kind of like speed for you. And then you have the timer, the oscillating. I believe that this the oscillating right here. So this one comes the oscillating. You can also put it kind of like turn off all the lights and even turn off the volume, because this one comes with a beep beep every time that you touch a button. So it's really good to have that one. And then you can do some other gestures like this, for example, kind of like switch it from the single to the multi, or you can actually do this again, or you can do this to turn it on and off. Let's see if it, I don't know. Oh yeah, actually it did, because it was oscillating. This one is off, as you can see over here, with gestures, with the remote controller, really quiet, big as well. And this one's gonna be kind of like in the final position, and it's gonna turn off. I like it. I do recommend this guy over here. Perfect for home office and perfect for like an office.